Hello everyone, today I have a Chanel unboxing for you. I'm very excited to show you what I picked up. If you haven't watched my shopping vlog, I'll link it down below for you to check out before you watch this video or after you watch this video. So today I'm feeling very pink and very happy because I'll be unboxing this bag behind me. There is something very special about Chanel packaging, and every time I buy Chanel I feel extra special and extra excited and extremely happy. I don't know what it is, it's just, well, it's Chanel. At the end of this video I'll also be showing you some luxury items that I'll be selling. I'll list more, I'll show you a few, but you can go check them out on my eBay, which is also linked down below. So let's get started with this unboxing. Alright, so let's unbox this baby. This is something that was on my wish list, so many of you will probably know. I was very specific about the color, however, I ended up buying a different color. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. I love these bags, oh my god, they're so nice. I'll have another camellia. Well, I don't like these new camellias. How do you guys feel about the new camellias? I don't like them. They look very plasticky and cheap. They looked so much nicer and more expensive before. So Chanel, please change your camellias again because these are not that nice. I'll show you up close. Before they were like fabric, really nice fabric material. Now they feel plasticky and cheap. I know, they just don't feel expensive at all. Right. Oh, this feeling every time unwrap a Chanel. So I have the receipt inside, so I'll show you everything and I'll share the prices as well. This happens every time I unbox a pair of shoes, and yes, this is a pair of shoes, another pair of shoes. I have two Chanel dust bags. Alright, oh my god, oh that wrapping. Da, da, da. Look at these beauties, oh my god. Okay, this was wrapped like this and it just fell off. These are the mules that were on my wish list. These mules were on my wish list in beige. However, I ended up getting these because there is a bag, a grey bag from the collection, the current collection, that I'm really interested in. So I thought if I end up buying the bag, sorry by the way that the lighting's constantly changing, the weather, I can't do anything about it, the sun keeps coming out and then it's quite cloudy. Anyway, so there is a grey bag that I'm really interested in. If you have watched my vlogs, shopping vlogs, you probably know that I'm interested in the light grey cocoa handle. That's why when I saw these, because these are previous season, they're not part of the new collection, I thought I'm gonna get these because I don't want to miss out. In case I decide to get the bag, I can match the shoes with the bag. If I don't get the bag, because I'm still on the fence, I'm not 100% sure because it's such a light color, I will still wear these a lot, and the color is gorgeous. I love grey. Grey is my favorite color. So these are very, very specific, like almost cool toned grey, like bluish grey. I'm not sure if it's showing true to color. I'll try to insert some clips and show you them up close. I got the lower heeled version. The other heel is a bit too high for me and I don't really like wearing high heels, so I thought I would be picking up the lower heeled version. I was interested in two pairs that you probably saw me trying on in my previous vlog. I tried on these and I was hunting down another pair of the tweed ones. They're completely sold out. They only have them in the higher heeled version, and I thought, okay, it wasn't meant to be, I'm gonna get these babies. And even if I don't end up getting the cocoa handle in grey, then I'll still wear these with my silver YSL bag, or like they can match any bag really. They're so stunning, and I still think I'll end up buying these. Let me actually take out the other one. I think I'll still end up getting these in another color, the beige color that I've always wanted. These are extremely comfortable. I'll try them on and you'll see how they look on. I think they look extremely sexy, and even if you have wider feet, they make your foot look very elegant. There is something really hot about pointy shoes, I find. Although these are mules, they look very sexy on the feet. And I love the pearl detail. The pearl detail, look at them up close. The pearl detail is everything. Even the high heel version is actually quite comfortable. I would be able to walk on them, but I thought I'm not gonna risk it. I won't be able to wear them as much as the lower heeled version, so I ended up going for the lower heel version. They are in size 38, so I would say the higher heel version runs slightly big because the heel is higher and your foot slides down a little bit more. They probably run slightly big, half a size up, so half a size bigger. So in the high heel version I would get 37.5, which is my true size. With these, when you try them on, because your foot is flatter when you put them on, I decided to go half size up, and these fit perfectly. They're extremely comfortable, as I mentioned. There is something that I have to mention about these. They are very, very delicate shoe. Look at the sole. Look how thin the sole is. If I don't bring these to the cobbler, I'll end up destroying them like my Valentino rock studs. I made a huge mistake with my Valentino rock studs because they're the same like these. They have very thin sole and they're extremely delicate, and I wore them without putting a protective sole, like rubber sole. So if you're thinking about getting these, or if you have these, please make sure you bring this to the cobbler to put a rubber sole on them. I don't know what the sole is made of, but it's so soft, it feels velvety. My essay recommended that I wear them 2 or 3 times before I bring them to the cobbler. So that's what I'm going to do. I will style them for you with jeans so you can see how they look on. But yeah, these are the shoes. I don't know what else to tell you about these. I can't wait to get them in more colors. I think these are probably my new favorite pair of shoes. They're the sexiest, most beautiful shoe that I have, and yeah, I just love them so much. I don't know what else to say about these. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be happy to answer. The price, these come in different finishes as well. These are like more gloss, they have like more glossier finish. They have them in lambskin, in tweed, in suede. The toe cap is different finishes as well, depending on the model of the shoe. And every season they come up with different colors. The classic ones are beige and white, I think, and black. So yeah. So I got these for £630. Alright. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave these here. So pretty. Now I will quickly show you some of the items that I'm planning to sell. I'll just grab them randomly. I'm planning on selling this beautiful bracelet from Fendi. I love this bracelet so much, but if I don't wear something, I sell it because there is no point of it staying in my collection. I love that it has 2 different colors and both colors are so unique. One of them, on one side it's like orangey, the other side it looks quite blue on the camera, but it's like a purplish blue. So yeah, this is one of the items that I'll be selling. Next, I didn't think I'll be selling this anytime soon, but I wore this bag a lot last year. I bought it last year. These are super trendy right now. The Dior Trotter, I think was called that print. It is authentic, but it's a vintage bag. So this is my strap. It comes with a shorter strap. I put my Prada bag strap so I can wear it crossbody, so this won't come with this bag. I'll remove it and I'll put the original one. And this is the bag. I'll show you it up close. It is a vintage bag, but it's in a really good condition. The handle is a bit crooked, but it's normal. I guess you can wrap it with a wrappy, the wrappy scarf. And this is the bag inside. I have tissues inside, but yeah, this is the bag, and it actually fits quite a lot. So if you're interested, this is going on my eBay. I also have a few pairs of sunglasses. They're a bit dusty, but I think I'll be selling these. I love these. Oh my god, should I sell these? I'm not sure. I actually really like these. Also, I have 2 more pairs. Alright, I will be also selling, I love these as well so much, and I've worn these so much. These are so light. Oh my god, I love these as well. I don't want to sell them. Alright, so these are the next pair of sunglasses. I just haven't worn them this year, and I keep buying new sunglasses. As you know, I'm a bit obsessed with sunglasses. And then these are Dolce & Gabbana sunglasses. I love these because they have the lacy golden frame. They're stunning. Let me try to show you up close. Is it focusing? Yeah. I'll have a lot more on my eBay. I'll list some more items. I'll have a look at my wardrobe because I will probably have more items that I want to sell. But I saw this and I really love this bag. It's a Ted Baker bag, but I haven't worn it for a very long time now, and it's perfect for the beach. It's perfect for the gym. I used to wear this to the gym a lot, but well, I quit the gym. So yeah, this is a Ted Baker bag. Again, really good condition. I'll have a look at it closely, like inspect the bag, see if there is anything wrong with it, but it seems okay to me. Yeah, really good condition. So yeah, this will be going on my eBay. And also inside there is this that I bought last year. I've literally worn this bag a few times. I really thought I would wear this a lot. I brought this bag with me to Paris last year when I traveled to Paris, and since then I've probably used it once or twice, and that's it. So this will be also going on my eBay if you're interested. Yeah, I'll list some more. There must be more things. I think I put some items on my phone. I made a list of things that I want to sell. Let me have a look. Oh, there will be a Louis Vuitton key holder in the rose ballerine as well going up. I didn't bring it with me, it's in the other room. My Kenzo jumper. I'll sell my old Apple laptop. If you're interested, go check out my eBay and you'll see what I'm selling there. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about my new shoes. And I can't wait to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new. Follow me on my other social media platforms. You can find me here on my Instagram. If you want to get some outfit of the day inspo, come say hi on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching again. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!